Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use tomes in Dark Souls 3. Tomes are crucial items that significantly expand the spell options available from your various spell trainers. Understanding which tome goes to which vendor is key to unlocking powerful new sorceries, pyromancies, and miracles. We will cover the different types of tomes and the specific non-player characters who can teach you these new abilities, ensuring you maximize your magical potential throughout your journey. For all your sorcery needs, you will want to find Orbeck of Vinheim. He is located in the Road of Sacrifices, and once you recruit him to Firelink Shrine, he becomes your Goda for learning new sorceries. Simply give him any sorcery tome you find, such as the Golden Scroll or the Sage Scroll, and he will unlock a host of new spells for purchase, enhancing your intelligence-based builds with powerful magic. When it comes to pyromancies and dark spells, Carla is your essential vendor. You will rescue her from a cell in Irithyll Dungeon. Once she is at Firelink Shrine, she accepts all pyromancy tomes, like the Great Swamp Pyromancy Tome and any dark sorcery or dark miracle tomes. Her unique ability to teach both pyromancies and dark spells makes her invaluable for players focusing on these powerful, often chaotic forms of magic. Finally, for miracles, you will seek out Irina of Karim. You can find her in the Undead Settlement, and she will then move to Firelink Shrine. Give her any miracle tome you discover, such as the Braille Divine Tome of Karim or the Braille Divine Tome of Lothric. She will then offer you a wider selection of healing spells, defensive buffs, and offensive lightning miracles, greatly aiding faith-based characters in their journey.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.